welcome to Elite Auto Rides. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of motorhomes with a spotlight on the 2025 Toyota Camper Motorhome. Toyota has long been synonymous with reliability and innovation, and their latest venture into the camper market is no exception. This new model is designed to cater to the adventurous spirit, offering a blend of comfort, functionality, and cutting-edge technology for those who crave the open road. The 2025 Toyota Camper Motorhome boasts a sleek yet rugged exterior, featuring a high roofline and aerodynamic bodywork that not only enhances its visual appeal but also improves fuel efficiency. Equipped with LED headlights, a bold grille, and robust skid plates, this motorhome is ready to tackle both highways and off-road paths. Optional features like roof racks, an integrated awning, and solar panels further enhance its versatility, making it well-suited for extended trips into nature. Step inside, and you'll find a thoughtfully designed interior that maximizes space and comfort. The camper includes a convertible bed system that can comfortably sleep 2 to 4 people, depending on the chosen configuration. A compact yet fully functional kitchenette comes equipped with a stove, sink, and refrigerator, allowing for meal preparation on the go. Storage solutions are intelligently integrated throughout the cabin, ensuring that all your gear has its place without cluttering the living area. Additionally, a small wet bath provides the convenience of an onboard shower and toilet, a feature often missing in campers of this size. Under the hood, Toyota offers both hybrid and all-electric powertrain options. The hybrid model combines a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine with electric motors to deliver impressive fuel efficiency, ideal for long-distance travelers. For the eco-conscious, the all-electric version provides a range of up to 300 miles on a single charge, making it a viable option for shorter trips and those committed to reducing their carbon footprint. Both variants come with all-wheel drive and an enhanced suspension system, ensuring a smooth and stable ride across various terrains. Technology is at the forefront of the 2025 Toyota Camper Motorhome. A 12-inch touchscreen infotainment system compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto keeps you connected and entertained during your journey. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. Toyota Safety Sense is standard, offering features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and pre-collision braking to keep you and your passengers safe. A 360-degree camera system aids in parking and maneuvering, a valuable addition given the vehicle's size. Sustainability is a key focus in this model. The use of recycled materials in the interior not only reduces environmental impact but also creates a modern and comfortable living space. The optional solar power system can charge the auxiliary battery, providing energy for appliances and lighting during extended stays off the grid. This feature is particularly beneficial for those looking to explore remote areas without sacrificing the comforts of home. Pricing for the 2025 Toyota Camper Motorhome starts at approximately $70,000, making it a competitive option in the camper market. With its combination of Toyota's renowned reliability, innovative features, and thoughtful design, this motorhome is poised to be a popular choice among adventure seekers and travel enthusiasts alike. That wraps up our overview of the 2025 Toyota Camper Motorhome. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up. Share your thoughts or questions in the comments below, we'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe to Elite Auto Rides for more in-depth reviews and the latest updates in the automotive world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next adventure.